TikTok did it again.
Wow, we be looking like a glazed donut today.
Nice.
The birds are going crazy this morning.
Shut the up, I'm trying to film.
Anyways, wow, it's been a day, and it's only 12:20 in the afternoon.
Bruh.
It's that time of the month. I watched a really sad video from Anna Sitar talking about the potential ban of TikTok, and my TikTok profile is dying. So let's get ready for the day and talk about it. My TikTok profile right here, it's dying. It's literally on its last leg. It's not getting the views or visibility like it was before, and I really haven't had any significant growth. The truth is, my profile is very slowly and very painfully going down and
Down and down.
I've been posting on TikTok for almost 3 years now. My very first TikTok that I ever posted on the platform, I posted on June 6th of 2020. And you guys, it was so bad. Oh my gosh, it was absolutely terrible. In that time, I've been able to gain a little over 20,000 followers, which some people might think, and others have outright told me that that number is nothing, but honestly, I'm proud of it. But the problem is, and the massive mistake that I made, was only focusing on making that follower number bigger. Also, I'm sorry, I'm kind of waving this around. This beauty blender is disgusting. Just don't pay attention to it. But most of my followers don't even watch my content. And getting new followers, well, I can tell you guys, there's some days where I lose more followers than I actually gain. And this is so frustrating. And I can tell that a lot of you on TikTok probably feel the same way as I do. You feel this frustration because you want your videos getting the views and visibility that it deserves. And the first thing that we do as humans is we tend to play the blame game. Don't fool me, you know this game. We blame the universe. We blame the TikTok algorithm. We blame our followers for not seeing our content. We are blaming that the For You page isn't necessarily putting our videos where they should be. But here's the thing. I'm also gonna play the blame game, and I'm gonna be blunt. I'm not blaming TikTok, I'm blaming myself. I should probably not talk and do eyeliner at the same time. Hold please. But I can tell you, I know the exact reason why my TikTok is dying, and it comes down to two things. And this is completely unrelated, but if you're looking to try a new mascara,
I highly recommend.
Liquid Lash Extensions by Thrive Cosmetics. I'm not sponsored at all. I love them. I've been using them for years. If you need a new mascara, try them out. And those two things are, one, my goals have changed on the platform, and two, I was too focused on building a following instead of a community. My approach to TikTok these past 2.5 years has been pretty casual. I wanted to try the app, I really enjoyed it, and was kind of just posting whatever I felt like. It was very random. Some videos did well, others did really well, and then the rest were kind of just meh. Damn, look at that difference. Thrive Cosmetics, if you want to sponsor me, I got you. Anyways, I was also so focused on just trying to get more followers, I didn't stop to think what kind of followers I wanted or how I was going to keep them around. Now, here's the thing. The value of a follow on TikTok in my mind is less than the value of a subscription on YouTube, for example. People follow all sorts of creators on TikTok, and they may see their content pop up in the following tab or on the For You page occasionally. Whereas on YouTube, I think people in general are more active consuming content from the creators they're subscribed to. On TikTok, I don't hear too often or see people hopping on the app just to watch content from the specific creators that they follow. The culture is kind of, you hop on, you're scrolling, and if you happen to see a video or two from a creator that you follow, then great. I was very naive in believing that it was just about having a huge follower count. That is certainly part of the goal, but what actually matters more is who's engaging with your content. Makeup's kind of one of those things where you really just have to trust the process. I absolutely love teaching people about TikTok, and I have this passion to help people grow on the platform, but I never really focused properly on my own TikTok account for the majority of the time that I've been on TikTok. But I've had enough. I'm actually ready to grow in the right way. You know, assuming that they don't actually ban the app. And if that does end up happening, to be honest with you, and I know it's kind of hard to take me seriously with my face looking like this, I don't know what I'm gonna do, because my entire YouTube channel here revolves around TikTok, but we'll figure something out. Until that happens though, I'm ready to do all of the fundamental things that I need to and approach my own content with the same seriousness that I teach other people to do. This is where it's actually really good for you. My plan is to actually go through the process of documenting my journey and what I do to revive my TikTok profile. You're gonna get behind the scenes access like I've never given out before. And I was also going to challenge you to take this journey with me to improve your TikTok profile at the same time as I improve mine. I'm improving on TikTok, assuming the app doesn't get banned, and I want you there with me. So hit that subscribe button, it's completely free, and let's see if we can do this. I feel slightly more alive than I did when I began filming this video, so hey, I'll take that as a win. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, dudes.